Hello, Smarty. Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face or apps predict what you want? That's deep learning, and I'll explain it simply. In my last video, we covered the basics of artificial intelligence, what it is and how it works. Now, let's take it one step deeper. Deep learning is a part of AI that teaches computers to learn from data, just like the human brain. It uses something called neural networks. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You show many pictures, and over time, they learn the patterns. Ears. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You show many pictures, and over time, they learn the patterns. Ears, shape. Deep learning works the same way, but with thousands or even millions of examples. These neural networks have layers. The first layer sees basic details, like edges. The deeper layers combine them into complex features, like faces or objects. That's how apps can recognize your face, recommend movies, or understand your voice. Deep learning powers many tools we use every day. It's transforming industries, from healthcare to self-driving cars, making machines smarter and more useful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. In the next video, we'll explore how neural networks actually work.